Hey you guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. I know it's been about 2 weeks since my last video. Of course, I'm really trying to spread these videos out. I'm not in a rush to make them. I will make them as I see the market move, right? So let's go based off my last video that I did about 2 weeks ago on August 30th, I believe. Um, you know, we mentioned if we go back, let me just go ahead and turn on my indicators. And if you guys go back to my previous video, you guys can see all the green lines are still there. Nothing has really changed in the technical analysis, right? So nothing has changed. And we've kind of hit exactly what happened, right? So I'm going to discuss kind of what happened since my last video, right? My last video, we were around this area here, August 29th, August 30th, right? I had said that we were going to come down. I thought we were going to retest the Fibonacci retracement, but we actually came all the way down. And if you guys pay very close attention to this specific wick right here, you guys will see that this is a new lower low, right? Compared from our previous two resistance points, this is a new lower low. So we went lower than our previous low, obviously, but our last resistance point, let me just go ahead and grab a trend line here, uh, so we can know exactly how low we were. And we got to about 1848, right? So we hit 1848, which is lower than our previous low here, as you guys can see on the chart. And we shot up, right? So we shot up, and I expected us not to break the Fibonacci retracement to 0.618, and we did. So if you guys took your took profiteer, went along here, gone up, I if this was me, if I was trading this move, which I did not, I actually just my short closed out here, and I just didn't buy back in because I haven't really been paying attention to the market lately. Um, Aside from just setting my trades and forgetting them, right? If it keeps going lower, then great, and if it goes up higher, then okay. Well, I set my stop loss, so I'm not gonna get stopped out, right? So I had my take profit here. I didn't rebuy, but whoever rebought here bought this pump. Everybody thought it was pumping. If I would have seen this pump break up past the 0.618 and kind of hover around this area, I probably would have also bought in, right? But again, this big blue line that I had mentioned before is a huge psychological resistance point, $22,000. It's huge. Technical analysis, psychological resistance point, just based off previous support, as you guys can see here, right? Previous resistance, now hitting really critical level, right? So 22,000, and just to show confirmation of that, right? To show confirmation of that, I'm gonna go ahead and turn on my exponential moving averages and the Bollinger Bands. And if you guys could see here, uh, looks like around 18,420 is going to be our next target, but just go in depth a bit. You guys know what the yellow line stands for, right? You guys know. I'm going to just remove the indicators in the background and just keep the exponential moving averages with the Bollinger Bands with the naked chart behind us. As you guys can see, again, rejected off the 55-day exponential moving average, um, which is huge, right? Just if you guys watch my previous videos, I keep mentioning the 55-day exponential moving average as a huge resistance for crypto in general, and the stock market would be the 200-day exponential moving average. So again, we went above the 55-day EMA for one day, closed the candle above it. The next day, boom, rejected. Huge rejection with huge volume, right? Just like from 22,800 just down back to 20K, and right now we are still fighting 20K. So what's going to happen again? We might go up to 21, get rejected until we make the big fall. So, more downfall is coming, guys, and I'm just kind of just playing out the market as I see it. Um, right. So I didn't catch the wave going up, but I did catch part of the wave going down, and I'm just going to stay in my short and just leave it at that. Right. So have my stop loss in place in case nothing goes down. I'm probably up like 5% right now. Nothing too crazy. And we'll see what happens there. So look at the RSI, stochastic RSI. We got rejected off the 50% line, right? So let me just add a quick indicator here. Quick indicator there. Now we are below the 50% mark. The stochastic RSI is above. It's really oversold right now. We have a chance for it to bounce off the 50%. But I kind of won't expect that this time since we are not in bearish momentum right now. So, in bullish momentum, I'm sorry. MACD looks like it's about to close for the day. And I think that's going to be it, guys. Like, let me see what's going on with the weekly. I haven't checked out the weekly in a while. Let me just turn off my EMAs and kind of just look at the weekly. Oh, yeah, look at the weekly. If you guys take a look at the weekly, guys, this does not look good, right? Like, we have a big doji candle going up for the weekly, and now a huge rejection going back down. Again, our lowest point is 17.5. If we break below 18.5, I do believe we are going to retest the 17.5 and then keep breaking lower. Potential chance to actually hit 15.6 because that's where the next the 618 level is. So yeah, I do think this is going a lot lower. It's just crazy. It's just fucking crazy. Look at for the weekly EMAs, we actually hit the 8, right? And we went above the 8. We got rejected from the 8 exponential moving average. So now we are going to see a few more times, and that is the second time it retests it, right? Like, or a few times, right? Retest it there. Again, up there, we closed above it. The following week, we closed. Retest again, keep getting rejected, guys. So for the daily, it would be our 55-day exponential moving average. For the weekly, it would be the 8 exponential moving average for the weekly. Right, so there you go, and that's it. Sorry I made the video a little long, trying to make it shorter, but stay up, peace out, and yeah.